everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Lobster appetizer. Scrambled eggs with lobster. It's so easy to make and it's super delicious. And I'm going to show you how to make it. Lobster with eggs. And let's get started. The ingredients we need: pre-cooked lobster tail, half pound, 3 eggs, green chili, red onion, tomatoes, bell pepper, olive as needed, black pepper, cumin, salt, half teaspoon each, olive oil 2 teaspoons. So we're going to break open the eggs. Now we're going to beat it. Once nicely beaten, add cumin, black pepper and salt. Once it's nicely combined, add bell pepper, keep it moving and mixing. Olives, green chili, onion, tomato. So once it's nicely combined, all the spices and the vegetable, we're going to add lobster tail. Mix it. And now we'll take this one on the gas and we'll start making the lobster with scrambled eggs. Start burner. Add 2 teaspoons olive oil. So make sure that the bottom is nicely coated. So prior to adding it, mix it. And keep your gas on a medium. Slowly you cook it. So cook on a medium gas, and as you see, the eggs don't take that long to cook. And as I mentioned, the lobster tail itself is pre-cooked. If you're a seafood lover, then this is the best. If you haven't tried this combination, please try it and you're going to like it. If you see there is no more water content, oil start to ooze out, it's a fully cooked. Prior to finishing, add some parsley flakes. Mix it. Our dish is all ready. It does not take that long to cook. This is one of the best appetizers. You can serve this dish at any time of the day. It's all ready and I'm going to dish out. I'll turn off the gas. My plate's ready. Let me share with you. As you've seen it, it's so quick and easy to make, and this is one of the best appetizer for the seafood lovers. You can serve it any time of the day. Please try it, and if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.